What if I told you that just 8 months ago, I was living with my parents. I had no idea what I wanted to do with my life. I had no direction. Nothing was clicking. I had no get up. I had no drive about my life. I didn't have a lot of money to my name, you know? I was just down and out. Well, at least I thought I was down and out for the count. But then what if I told you I was able to get on my feet and just lock in for just 6 months and it changed my life forever? That's why today's video ought to motivate you guys a lot. Because if you just lock in for 6 months, 6 months of hard dedication, hard grinding, discipline, going ghost and everything, I'm telling you, your life gonna look a lot different. This is just my little story, right? And I'm far from done. But this is just what 6 months was able to get me and to change my life in a drastic way. Just last year, right? Or no, actually, I would say a year and a half ago, I'm a college dropout. I dropped out of college. I was majoring in what was it, sports broadcasting and politics, government and politics. I loved history. I love those type of things, but I didn't really know, like, I didn't know too much about school. I didn't know too much about the career fields. And of course, as you guys are probably saying to yourself right now, well, those two majors, they don't make any money. Well, of course I figured that out. So it was to the point where, like, I really couldn't afford school. I didn't go off a scholarship. So I didn't have a scholarship because, like, when I was in high school, I didn't have the best grades. I wasn't the smartest kid. It was a lot of times where I didn't know how to do a lot of work, things of that nature. So, of course, when I got to college, I felt behind. I felt behind financially. I felt behind academically. And it was just to the point where, like, I was almost living in a fantasy world to stay in college. So, like, I'm going to be in debt. I'm not passing really hardly any of my classes. And I don't have a major where it's going to make up in the long run, even if I do graduate college, to even pay back the debt. So it would have been a dumb decision for me to stay. So I ended up dropping out of college, right? Going back to my hometown, probably one of the most humbling experiences ever. Came home to no work. I could not find a job for almost a year straight. Mind you, I'm 18 years old. I didn't get a job until I was, like, probably the next year until I was like 19. Got a job at a warehouse called SE2. I was making probably $16 an hour. Checks were probably like $400 every week. Barely scratching the surface. And with the little $400 I was making, I was partying, I was clubbing nonstop. Like, I just didn't care about life. I felt like I was already a failure, and I was just at party after party. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's all that meant. That's all I wanted to do. I was hurt. I was depressed. I was stressed. I played basketball most of my whole life. I was, like, really just depressed that didn't work out or anything. School didn't work out. It just felt like nothing was working for me. Like, nothing was not clicking. You guys get what I'm saying? Fast forward, I ended up finding a better job, but it's like, okay, it's still not enough. And I'm still making terrible financial decisions with my money. And it wasn't until I realized I always wanted to be a content creator, because I've always had my channel, but I never was disciplined, and I never was doing the right things, that were lucrative to me and that would get me to the next stages of my life. So basically what I'm trying to tell you guys is, it wasn't until enough was enough. And for you, that's why I'm making this video, because you don't have to wait that long. I think to myself all the time, where would I be if I would have started earlier in my life? 17, 18, 19. I just really tapped into my gift and my goal. My gift and my calling 6 months ago. So when I finally realized enough was enough, as you guys can see on the screen, I locked in and I did the right thing. And I was able to get my first semi-viral video. Like, I'm not going to call it viral, but for YouTube, 127,000 views. That's kind of big for YouTube. You guys get what I'm saying? Like, that's enough to get that momentum going. So when I was finally able to lock in and say, okay, I'm going to lock in no matter what, because the life that I want, I know that it's going to take some discipline. I know it's going to take me being different, me going out the norm. I can't just work a job. I can't just work a 9 to 5 job that's barely bringing in income. I can't. There's no way I'm going to win. There's no way I'm going to ever get out of my mom's crib and actually be able to pay bills, maintain my lifestyle, or anything. There's no way. You know what I'm saying? So what did I do? I locked in, dropped the video. It went big, and I have not looked back since. I've built a routine. You guys see the consistency. I'm here every single day dropping. And as you guys can see, and I just brought the Benz out just for motivation today. 6 months of hard grinding was able to get me my dream car. I've always dreamed of having an all black Mercedes Benz AMG. You know what I'm saying? In just 6 months, I was able to get that just off locking in and going and chasing my goals and doing everything I'm supposed to do. You guys get what I'm saying? So what I'm saying is your life does not have to be perfect. You just got to get some discipline and just grind. Put your head down. And I went ghost for 6 months. I really went ghost for 6 months. It was people, a lot of people, they thought I fell off. They thought like what's going on? Because I was one of those type of guys. I used to always pop out to every function. I used to go to every single party. You know what I'm saying? Making it seem like I had it when I was really hurting. I didn't have a dime. I was sleeping in my mom's crib. You know what I'm saying? No real job, no real income coming in. But soon as you stop trying to impress people, you go ghost. You stop looking all for the validation, and you really buckle down and you do what you need to do. That is when you're gonna start winning. That is when your life is gonna start changing for the better. Because at the end of the day, nobody's coming to save you. And when you realize that everything, your outcome depends on you, that's when you start to lock in, bro. And you start to be different, right? A lot of people, they wasn't feeling my content. When I first started doing the motivational and the financial content, a lot of people, they left. They didn't stick around. They weren't feeling it. They were like, hey man, drop more party vlogs, do that. You know what I'm saying? Let's go kick it. A lot of people, they weren't messing with it, but it's not up to them to be messing with what you got going on. You know what I'm saying? I had to make a business decision for myself, and it ended up helping me in the long run, mentally, financially, stably. I don't have to worry about people being around me for the wrong reasons. You know what I'm saying? Like I can go record when I want to and whatever I want to. And just in 4 months, I was able to go part-time in my job. I locked in for those 4 months, went hard on YouTube, went hard at my 9 to 5 job, and I was able to go part-time. And I was really starting to see some good money, and everything is all clicking together. I really feel like I'm in my flow state. If you guys don't know what your flow state is, basically your flow state is basically like when stuff starts to come so naturally that you don't even notice it. Like when I go back and I scroll and I look at my videos, I'm like, damn, bro, I really recorded that. Like you start to be able to like your flow state is when you're in your creator mode. You know what I'm saying? You start creating things that you didn't even know that you can create. I'm looking at my views. I'm looking at video ideas that I never thought in my life that I would ever be able to accomplish or be able to get done and execute. I'm executing every single day. Being in your flow state is having a routine. I wake up no later than 7 a.m. Right now, it's like, what it is, like 11 a.m. right now. Literally, I wake up in my flow state every single day. It feels so naturally. Everything feels so organic. Nothing feels forced at all. That's what I'm trying to get you guys to realize. If you just lock in, create those great habits, all these 90-day runs, they're not for nothing. They're not just for, we're going on a 90-day run so we can look good, so we can say it for the camera, say it for the girls. Or no, I go on these 90-day runs to get things like this. I go on these 90-day runs to have freedom like this. So I don't have to work every single day. So I don't have to slave myself away at a job that I don't want to be at. So I can reach my goals and reach my potential. So I can have the time to execute and get things that I want to get done when I need to get them done. You guys get what I'm saying? That's all it takes. Really, take these videos as motivation and don't just keep scrolling after you click off the video. All it takes is 6 months. I'm telling you, changed my life forever. My growth, it still shocks me to this day, but that's the flow state. You shocked every single day. but you still continue to do it, and it just surprises me. Like, this video might do some numbers. I don't know. I don't come on here to just like, oh yeah, I want to do 100K views every day. I just come on here because I love to do it. I like, literally, I've been doing this since I was a kid. I've been doing YouTube for as long as I can remember. So I'm not really, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not really on here to just yap to you guys about nothing. Like, I really want you guys to tap into your gift, tap into your flow state, and build some good habits. Be boring. Don't be afraid to be boring. Don't be afraid to be different. Trust and believe. The most boring people, they become the most successful people because they do what others can't do. Other people, they're not willing to be bored. They're not willing to go through tough times. They're not willing to go through the times where no one is watching. You guys get what I'm saying? Sorry if you guys kind of can't hear me that well. The wind kind of blowing. Hopefully, my mic kind of block it out a little bit. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to get you guys to realize. That everything that sets you up for the next level, it's not gonna always be the most fun. It's not gonna always be a party. It's not gonna always be that. Sometimes you're gonna have to do things that you don't want to have to do to get to where to. Well, this is the way I like to put it. You're gonna have to do what you have to do to be able to do what you want to do, and that's what I had to do. You know what I'm saying? I had to do things that I didn't want to do so I can do what I want to do now. I can go where I want to go. I can take trips. I can go places. I can have the money to pay for things. I don't have to slave away at my job 24/7. So yeah, man, I hope this video really motivates you guys to lock in, bro. All it takes is 6 months to a year. And I promise y'all never gonna look back. All y'all need is just a little bit of momentum. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. And y'all know I love this. So y'all know I'll be back with more content. Hey, skate.